sir. Good morning. How may I help you?
I'd like to make a reservation.
Okay, sir. May I ask for your arrival and departure date?
It's June 18th or June 20th.
Do you have any preferred room, sir? We have in standard room, we have superior room, deluxe room, and suite room.
What do you recommend?
I recommend deluxe room, sir, because it has king size bed, bathroom, shower, and free Wi-Fi access with breakfast also.
Deluxe room.
Okay, deluxe room. Let me check if there's available room, sir. Okay, sir. We have an available room, sir. Would you like to proceed with the transaction, sir? Okay. May I ask your last name, sir?
Stigan.
Your first name, sir?
Denson.
Okay, sir. May I ask for your address?
Mactan, Lapu-Lapu.
Okay, sir. Your contact number, sir?
912345678.
Okay, sir. How would you like to pay today, sir?
I would like a credit card.
Okay. May I ask for your card, sir? Yes, sir. With the Wise card.
Ako man sila mag-mayo sa siyang anak. Hindi niya papilihan anak. Buang.
Iya bukan nak kalau aku cakap, kalau kau nak aku boleh coba bangkit ke sini lah, boleh tak? Jangan boleh tahu saja deh, nak hati yang mana bang?
Awan na.
Okay, sir. Sign here, sir.
Pagtag sa mag-boy. Uglaran ako sa mga sa dito.
Pero no, anak ka talaga.
Mama yan ako. Kuha na di, huwag yung hita ba? Pagundang na lang.
Sa kwarto, awalnya juga sila pagbiasa. Berarti boleh mahal anak, ay mahal anak. Dahil na ako ang kulay, ang kulay ito nga na magbuwang.
Here, sir. Thank you for choosing Philippines Vehicle Car. Thank you.
Anak, ay anak,
Sa cellphone.
ang sige,